In this video, I will show you how to fix no license found error on Steam. Open Steam and go to Library. Click on the game showing the error. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to fix any missing or corrupted files. Ensure the game is purchased and licensed to your Steam account. Click View in the top menu, then select Downloads. Click Settings in the top right corner. Select Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart automatically. If you are using VPN, turn it off. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall that might be interfering. If the issue still persists, visit Steam support for further assistance. That's it. Now you know how to fix no license found error on Steam. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.